You've been using the toothbrush wrong all your life and you didn't know it. Once you know this, you'll never use the toothbrush again in the traditional way. We all use the toothbrush daily in our homes. It is known that it is recommended to change the toothbrush every 3 months. That's why you may have old toothbrushes that you were thinking of throwing away. But not today, because I'll show you how you can use the toothbrush to solve some problems in your home. To start, here I'll take one of the used toothbrushes I have in my house. With the help of a scissor, I'll cut the threads of one of the edges as I show you. I would like to know from which country you see us to send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Manuel Martinez from Cuba. Number 1. With the continuous use of water and washing dishes, over time the edges of the sink drain are filled with dirt, bacteria, and fungi that cause bad smell in the kitchen. Thanks to its compact size, the toothbrush can help you avoid this. You just have to rub in the dirty area, and it will reach the places where it is very difficult to clean. Number 2. With the help of a lighter or stove, we are going to burn this part until the plastic loosens a little. Then we are going to bend it about 90 degrees backwards. Then we will hold it with our hand until it cools down and stays fixed. You may also have the problem that at home, the windows frames are very difficult to clean when dust and dirt accumulate. The small bristles of the toothbrush are ideal for cleaning the window frame's basins. Just moisten with a little water and rub the toothbrush until it is completely clean. Finally dry and they will be like new. Number 3. As we did previously, we are going to burn another of the brushes used. Only this time we will bend 90 degrees forward so that it stays this way. One of the places where the most dirt and bacteria are stored is the bathroom sink. And one of the parts of the bathroom that over time tends to get dirty and filled with dirt are these edges. When cleaning using the bent brush, the filaments reach that area more easily, preventing it from filling with stains. Number 4. The computer keyboard is quite delicate, and over time the dust can get between the keys and make them stop working. To avoid this, you should only rub an old brush between the keys once a week, and you will never have damaged keys on your computer again.